Hello and welcome. My name is Saeed Al-Matawi. I am the service manager here at TV Video Repair. TV Video Repair been established for over 30 years. We are proud to have earned the reputation of being Chicago's largest screen specialist. We specialize in electronic TVs, projection, big screen, LED, home theater, amplifiers, video game and computers. TV Video Repair is an authorized service center for major manufacturers such as Sony, Sharp, Aquos, Mitsubishi, and Akai. For all those difficult to transport, we offer same-day in-home service for one flat rate, regardless of the distance within the Chicagoland area and its suburbs. People in the community like us a lot. We're really friendly, do a good job, very qualified. You are sure to receive the best possible service.